Heavy downpour in the past few days forced traffic to come to a standstill along major roads in Metro Manila, no thanks to flooded roads. Could Metro Manila be sinking? Scientists say, as overpumping of groundwater can cause some areas to sink by 5 to 6 centimeters yearly.
Kumukuha ka ng sobrang tubig faster than it can be replenished. Yung lupa mo ay nagko-compact, which causes the subsidence or lowering ng elevation ng lupa mo.
Land subsidence or sinking can produce higher tides that reach farther inland and floods that recede more slowly. 4 cities in Metro Manila, Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, and Valenzuela are sinking fast. Here, floodwaters rise and flow inland quickly. Areas in Muntinlupa and nearby provinces are also sinking because their soil is made of clay. Cavite, Pampanga, Bulacan, and Laguna. If the sinking continues, what could be the worst-case scenario?
In, say, 10-20 years, most likely yung mga lugar na nasa coastal areas ngayon, magiging permanently underwater gaya siguro ng sa Italy, sa Venice.
Climate change is making problems worse. As the world's glaciers melt and oceans expand, water levels are rising. Manila Bay is now higher than Manila, which has areas that are already below sea level. A World Bank study shows that sea level will rise at least 10 feet in as little as 50 years. Robert Marin, an engineer and inventor, suggests building a dam at the mouth of Manila Bay to stop the rise of its water level. The dam would convert the bay into a lake and prevent high tide from affecting nearby areas.
Lake na lang siya. Pag summer, mainit, di ba? Nag-evaporate, baba mo siya ng 1 inch a week. Pag 2 minutes lower na Manila, anong baha?
Scientists urge big businesses, fish pond owners, and households to stop using groundwater to prevent further land sinking. And unless officials actually take action now, getting stranded in traffic and wading through waist-deep floods during the rainy season may just be the new norm. Patricia De Leon, CNN Philippines.